So students, we were in reversible and irreversible changes, and here is an example of reversible and irreversible change. I have already explained you that whatever happens in reversible change, it is just for temporary, and in irreversible change it is a permanent change. So a change which can be reversed on removing or changing the cause of change is called a reversible change. For example, here you can see the melting of the orange juice and then converting into an ice cream. If it melts down, again you refrigerate it, it will going to convert it into an ice cream. Same with the case of a chocolate, it melts down and again you refrigerate it, it will going to convert it into a chocolate. The heartbreak, isn't it? Third one, which is egg converted into an omelette, cannot be reversed back, so it is an irreversible change. Wooden log, when it is burned, it will going to convert it into an ash, you will not going to get back the wood back, isn't it? So it is an irreversible change. Iron nail getting changes into an iron rust coating that has been covering that iron nail, so it is an irreversible change. And the next change is here the candle is burning, the size has been changed. After burning, the wax vapors have been burning, and what happens, this is also an irreversible change. So let's come to the next few more examples. That is blooming of flower, it is an irreversible change. Ripening of fruits is an irreversible change. Tearing a paper is an irreversible change. Melting of ice is a reversible change. Blowing a balloon is a reversible change. Okay, so let's come to the next topic, that is physical changes, change of a shape. So matter can change shape. First, cutting, tearing, crumpling, grinding and bending. When you mix or dissolve one thing into another, it is a physical change, isn't it? Like if we talk about a physical change, melting solid to liquid, condensation gas to liquid, freezing liquid to solid, sublimation solid to liquid to gas, vaporization liquid to gas, and deposition gas to solid. So these are the physical changes where the physical property has been not changed. It is the same only. Physical change, change of a shape, cutting, tearing, grinding, crumpling, bending, that we have already talked about, as you can see it here in the picture. If I am going to tear the picture, tear a paper, what will going to happen? It's the property will be the same. पेपर तो पेपर ही, चाहे आप उसको फाड़ के आप चाहे उसका एक कैसल बनाएं जैसे से इस स्लाइड में, तो क्या पेपर जो है वो कुछ और चीज़ बन जाएगा? आटा थोड़ी ना बन जाएगा, वो नहीं बनेगा ना, उसका फिजिकल स्टेट वैसे ही रहेगा. अब जैसे अगर हम इसमें यू कैन सी हियर इज़ अ ब्लैक पेपर, यू कैन सी हियर जिसको पाउडर बना दिया है क्रश करके, क्रशिंग इज डन. सो if I'm crushing a black paper, it will not going to convert it into something else, isn't it? It will not going to convert it into an almond. वो almond नहीं बन जाएगा क्रश करने के बाद, वो पाउडर ही रहेगा, उसका जो फिजिकल स्टेट है वो सेम रहेगा, isn't it? So like for example, crushing a cane is a physical change. आप इसमें force लगा के आपने इस cane को you have crushed it. Okay, after crushing there is a change in the shape, but there is no change in its property. ये change नहीं हो गया, ये कोई अब मटका नहीं बन गया, ये कोई pot नहीं बन गया, isn't it? So it will be going to be changed. So this such kind of changes is a physical change. Then there is a breaking of glass. After breaking, the pieces are of glasses only, isn't it? The property of the glass has not changed, but it is difficulty, there will be a difficulty to again to regain the shape, isn't it? Because there are so many you're going to see the cracks after you're going to make it into a proper shape. Then boiling of water is a physical change. So irreversible change is a chemical change. जो हमारा physical change था वो हमारा क्या था? We can talk about it as a reversible change in few cases. Alright. इरिवर्सिबल चेंज कुछ हद तक आपका केमिकल चेंज भी है, क्योंकि ये परमानेंट चेंज है. रिएक्टेंट्स रिएक्ट टू फॉर्म एन एंटायरली अ न्यू कंपाउंड एंड कैन नॉट बी रिवर्स. पहली चीज़ तो केमिकल चेंज वो दोबारा रिवर्स नहीं हो सकती है, प्लस जो इसमें नया प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होगा वो आपका जो है देयर विल बी अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अ न्यू सब्सटेंस. ओके, एंड इट कैन बी अकर्ड थ्रू हीटिंग, बर्निंग, मिक्सिंग, पाउडरिंग आर फ्यू प्रोसेसेस विच कॉज इरिवर्सिबल चेंजेस which can be undone. Here you can see a lady is cooking a food or making a cake. फिर केक बन गया, फिर केक से क्या करेंगे आप मैदा अलग कर सकते हैं क्या? You can separate sugars, isn't it? Can you do that? Can you separate water? Can you separate milk? Can you separate the things, that ingredients of this cake? No, which is undone. You can see it here in the picture. ऑमलेट वाला भी मैंने आपको केस बताया, ये भी अनडन है, ये भी एक केमिकल चेंज है. अंडा आपने जो ऑमलेट बनाया है, देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अ न्यू सब्सटेंस, इजंट इट? सो एज यू कैन सी हियर इन द पिक्चर, आप यहाँ पे भी देख सकते हैं, लाइक देयर इज अ रस्टिंग ऑफ अ पीस ऑफ एन आयरन विच इज शोन हियर, एंड रस्टिंग से क्या होता है, द आयरन बिकम्स वीक. Alright, so this is a chemical change, a new substance has been formed. Like baking a cake, we have talked about, it's a chemical change. Cooking an egg is a chemical change. Chemical change, you can see it here in the picture. Rusting of iron, silver when comes in contact with oxygen and water, it will going to turn black. So this is also a chemical change. Burned wood, which is also a chemical change. Cooked food is also a chemical change. So this is all about the chapter that is changes around us. So you notice about the different kind of changes that has been taken place around us. So these changes are important to us also, as it is important for our living being also. So there are some definitions that I am going to give it to you later after this class, that is reversible change, irreversible changes. So I hope this chapter is clear to you. Please read your book, Changes Around Us. Thank you, students.